Hey guys, your girl Cassandra Olivia, and today I've been super busy doing wig reviews back to back, and unfortunately I forgot to record 3 of my intros, so we're gonna go ahead and just use this intro for 3 different videos. So if you are new, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back. Let's get right into these wig videos. I'm gonna split them up into about 3 or 4 different videos. So if you see me wearing the same exact outfit, same exact makeup, it's because I shot these videos all the same day. Disclaimer, I ain't wearing the same beat for 4 days straight, and I'm not wearing the same shirt for 4 days straight. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first things first, this hair was sent to me from a company called Geniuswigs, and this is their Yaki straight hair that they are providing for me. And I just want to say I really appreciate them for putting in the description of what the hair is and what they sent me, because a lot of these companies don't, and then I'm contacting them trying to figure out what the heck is in here. So real quick, in the package came a cute little Christmas scarf, an elastic band, some T-pins, a wig cap, and now we're just going to get straight to the wig. So the wig did have like this little like packaging on the inside, excuse me, and then on the inside of the wig we have your 3 standard clips. We have a large 6-inch parting space in the middle, and there's also a clip at the bottom. This is a 13x4 Yaki straight wig, but it's also wet and wavy, so once you wet the hair you can wear it either straight or curly. It has a 6-inch parting space like I just mentioned before, and it also is 180 density. The lace is pre-tinted to match the skin, and it has invisible knots, which are supposed to be less visible than the regular knots. And here I am just going in where the hairline is. It is pre-customized just a little bit, about 1 inch back or half an inch back. So what I'm going to do is just part out the part that's already pre-plucked or pre-customized, and I'm just going to pluck just a little bit behind each of these parts. The reason being is I don't want to have a lot of hair in the front of my hairline, because that's naturally not how my hair is. So I just want to thin it out just a tiny bit so it looks just a little bit more natural. So I'm just speed this part up. You guys can pretty much just watch and see what I'm doing. I'm just going to pluck the right side first and then kind of eyeball it and see if I want to pluck a little bit more hair, and then do the same exact thing to the left side. Overall, I didn't pluck too much of this hair out, just the tiniest bit, but already you can see how that's looking. And yeah, that's how much hair I took off on both sides. So now I'm just parting out the customized part in the other side, and now I'm just plucking a little bit further into the hairline. And excuse me, your girl was looking a little dusty. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be gel, and I'm going to go ahead and start securing the sides of my unit. I don't like my units to be glued down. I say this in probably every video. You guys know this already. So I'm just going to go in just where the ear tabs are, and I'm just going to apply some Got To Be and tack the unit down. Now I did go ahead and sew a band in the back of this unit. So I'm just using the band to keep the unit nice and secure, so that way it stays in place. And this is how the hairline is looking, if I can talk. And it doesn't have any baby hairs, but that's what I prefer. If you want to do baby hair, you can go ahead and add that at this part, but I'm not. So now I'm just going to compare one side to the other. I'm going to do one side wet, no product, just water, and I'm going to leave the other side dry, just so you guys can kind of get an idea of how the different textures are. But so far so good. I'm really liking how the part is looking. It's very natural. The lace pretty much matched my skin perfectly. I did go ahead and add a little bit more foundation just because that's what I'm comfortable with, but honestly I could have gotten away with no foundation at all. So these are just the 2 different textures. The right side is completely saturated with water, and the left side is just as is, straight out of the packaging. So now going back in with my spray bottle, and I'm going to go ahead and just saturate the rest of my hair, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it's completely wet. And yes, in case you're wondering, this is my daughter's Anna and Elsa towel. This was the closest thing to me, and it's a really small towel because it's made for kids. So this is what I was using. This, out of all the wigs I've tried on, is my ultimate favorite. I like the natural kinky texture hair, and when this is wet, I like how this is, and I like the length. It's not too long, but it's not too short, and it's enough for me to feel cute. And I like the fact that it's a frontal. It's not glued down, and because I did wet it, some parts are lifting up. I did use the Got To Be glued, which y'all know this does not last. Like, it doesn't, so don't come for my lace. This is how she's looking, and she's really cute. So after applying 4 wigs back to back, I have a little bit of makeup spillage here. Hairline looking a little crazy, but overall she's looking real cute, honey, real cute. So this will definitely be a wig that I wear every day. this is the everyday wig. You can wear it curly or straight, which is what I love. I'm loving the curly texture right now. You can curl it, cut it, do whatever you want to it. It's a nice length, so I'm probably gonna leave it as is. But yeah, this is my favorite wig out of all the wigs that I've received this week. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below. The details will be in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.